Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this lovely Volkswagen Touareg R-Line 2014 reg, and as you can see it's finished in this stunning Java metallic brown. It really shimmers in the light. It's got a really nice metallic effect to it. Also got your full LED headlights with your LED daytime running lights. This one has the optional 20-inch Mallory alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, as well as your LED tail lamps. Really nice on the outside. This car's up for only $19,965, so really well priced. It's done 77,000 miles, but it is a diesel, so that's really good, and it's been taken really well care of, especially when you see the inside of the car. Of course, our valeters will have a check over it on it, make sure it's nice and clean for you, and if you notice anywhere that's not typical of the age of the car, we'll get that fixed for you as well. You got your leather wrapped steering wheel here with your volume controls. And then you have also got cruise control on this stalk here. You've got your screen there with your navigation. This car also has traffic updates on it. Really handy to have, and it's all nice. You've also got a lovely panoramic sunroof in here and a light headline. I mean, it's really bright in this inside of this car. If I turn it on again, I'll just show you the dash. Yeah, our mileage there is 77,009 miles. Lots of features on this car. Storage points dotted about the cabin. You've also got your sunroof, of course. That opens as well. You just twist it and it'll fully open. You don't have to hold it down or anything. And then you twist it again. That'll open a bit more. You twist it all the way around, it should go all the way back to its position, which is there. Cricket leather seats as well. So in the black leather, and they're also heated as well. Both front seats are heated. You've also got your dual zone climate control, your fan speed in the middle, your individual temperatures on each side of the cabin, and then if you want them to be the same, you can also sync them if that's what you'd like. Keyless start, DSG gearbox, electronic parking brake. You've got your split armrests, you've got your back seats, really plush and comfortable in this car. So that's our 2014 Volkswagen Touareg here, available at Lancaster Volkswagen. If you have any questions about this car, about the features on it, or any questions about if you'd like to part X your car against it, or about finance, don't hesitate to ask one of our team members about it. They'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to hear from you soon.